Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to play an animation when the game is paused. So in my scene, I have a pause button and a pause menu with a resume button. Inside the pause menu is where I have the animation. Now let's check out the pause menu script. Inside the script, I have a serialized field for the pause menu and the pause button. At the start, I want to set the pause menu to false. And I have two public methods. One is to pause the game and one is to resume it. Now let's go back to the editor. Inside the canvas, I want to add the pause menu script. Now let's drag and drop the menu and the pause button into it. Inside the pause button, scroll down here and click on the plus symbol and drag and drop the canvas into it. And we want to select the pause game method. Inside the resume button, we're going to do a similar approach. And let's select the resume method. Now let's test it out. So let's pause the game, and as you can see, the animation is not playing. And there's a simple fix to this. So we're going to go back to the pause menu and go down to the animator component. And where it says update mode, change normal to unscaled time. And now let's test it out again. So when I pause the game, the animation plays. Thank you for watching. See you later.